Sunil from Pune is actually holding shares at 2,500. Let's pull up the stock. MCX is what I'm talking about. And he's holding 56 shares. Stock's up 2.5% on a day like today. And so he's bought it at very close to the current market levels. But Rajesh, he's asking a short-term view on the stock. It has been under pressure as well. But what would you recommend?
So MCX is in uptrend across all time frame. Yes, from days high, some profit taking we have seen in this counter. But if we analyze on the long term perspective, stock is holding the strength. Stock is almost trading near to 20-day moving average support area. So still trend is on the bullish side. 2400 needs to keep as a stop loss. Once stock able to take out about 2570, then possible really towards 2751, 2800 we may see in the MCX. So hold the position with stop loss of 2400.
In fact, it's also, I think, up because of your crude,
Crude,
gold,
yeah.
silver, etc. trading
right.
at higher prices and volumes going up for something like an MCX. Just to take a follow-up query on this entire aspect, right? Crude. Sriram Raghuraman from Chennai is asking this question on Oil India. Now, this is one of the companies that probably stand to benefit from elevated crude prices. She's bought 50 shares. He's bought 50 shares at the average price of 172. Wants a one-year view on this particular counter. Lancelot, what's the view like?
So Oil India is engaged actually in assistance as far as the oil exploration company is concerned. So they provide engineering services for oil exploration. Now, just because prices may have gone up in the short term, it doesn't mean that exploration activity is suddenly going to get increased and you'll find orders coming to them. And second is most of their orders are domestic. So in that sense, nothing has changed perceptibly on the domestic side. And so the stock is already factoring in all the positives that were there from their earnings as well as from their future outlook. And if you look at valuation wise, it is still relatively a little expensive. So there could be, whenever there's a correction, you could see a re-rating of the stock on the downside. So one should be a little cautious and probably wait for lower levels to add to the stock.